We ain't even gonna be doing all that. Them mushrooms look good.
Smell the same.
All right.
Yeah, get drunk, guys. Have a couple on us.
Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned on my L's and the lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dreams pulling up, I'm like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm trying.
What up, family? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Dale.
And I'm Jazz.
And today we are coming at you with a good, nice, wonderful
Cooking vlog. Today we're gonna cook y'all some live mussels.
What else on the menu, babe?
Some scramps in there. You have to get the light.
Oh, I'm filming.
Some scramps. We already got us some seasonings up in there. Some garlic. And now we're gonna put this top on. And we're gonna put steam. I'm just gonna put some olive oil and some seasonings up on them things. How y'all doing today? Man, you can talk to them. This ain't our typical cooking vlog.
Well, fam.
We just chilling today.
Right.
In the mukbang.
You know what I'm talking about. Got the whole little setup going.
I'm waiting on this to start.
Waiting on it to get on and get real hot.
Pasta, vegetables.
Oh, so what you doing over here?
Got us some asparagus and mushrooms.
Okay.
Put them on this griddle while our mussels cooking, since they don't take long.
I see you.
Okay, so guess what, y'all? Not only are we making mussels, we making drunken mussels.
Well, fam, typically Jazz and I are doing this together, but she cooking, so I got it solo. Now, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified, because the bell ain't ringing, then your phone won't be singing. So if you don't see the parentheses on the outside of that bell, then that means you did something wrong. So if you didn't do that properly, you won't be notified when we drop videos.
And y'all have to excuse my rep today. Y'all know how you're supposed to lay your edges, lay them down.
Now let's get back into the video.
Cooking, good looking.
Now we're cooking with some gas.
Yeah.
Oh. You know what that sound mean?
Seasoning. I'm trying to put them all the same way. I'm gonna do some powder. We ain't even gonna be doing all that. Them mushrooms look good.
Smell the same.
All right.
So what's next?
We'll put in there next, babe.
Lemon zest and a little bit of lime extract zest. Lime and lemon extract. We told y'all these was gonna be drunken.
Show them my secret ingredient. The drunk.
It wouldn't be that secret if we showed them.
What? Well, it ain't a secret. Well, show them the drunk.
Bing.
The pepper. Not too much. Cause I'm finna up our scramps cooking. Cause now I'm about to switch this to high, so we can get a oil going. Babe, I think I might have put a little bit too much peppers.
What else?
Now we just gotta get this to a boil.
And then what?
Throw our live mussels in there.
Get in our pot. When y'all got that sound going on, when you got that sound, well, I'm telling you, if y'all could smell up in here.
Babe, you think that's enough
Yes.
of a boil? You wanna pour them in? You wanna do the honors? They gonna pour us mussels in, y'all.
Oh, somebody.
Don't get any water or ice in there if you can't. On the top.
I was stirring them up, so.
You supposed to shake it up. Swish it, swish it, swish it. Up. Our shrimp's beeping. Alright, y'all. Now you can stir them up, baby.
Yeah, get drunk, guys. Have a couple on us. Cause y'all finna get in our belly.
Man, it smells so good. We working on that smell-o-vision, y'all.
Facts. We told y'all about that months ago, so we still.
We working on
I'm
it.
telling you. Ready to eat some mussels.
Oh, these veggies smell so good. Gotta have some veggies. Oh, the steam is all out of our shrimp. Woo! Too hot for y'all. Wait a minute. Back up. Oh yeah. All of them about popped open.
For the most part.
Alright, y'all, there go our drunken mussels.
And so we done with this cooking video.
So y'all
let's
know
get into
what's
this
next.
mukbang.
Oh yes.
Now, if you made it to the end of this video, like it, comment if you haven't,
Subscribe.
and share, because y'all know sharing
Sharing
is
is
caring.
caring.
And until next time, fam.
Love you guys.